I was working with a client the other day, and she had a lot of tension around her throat area. Now, I can identify with that because this would be an area for me that tenses up if I'm anxious or nervous or anything like that. So we were talking about different things that you can do to loosen up this area. Well, the first thing is shoulder rolls and stretches, neck stretches down as well, the back of the neck. Also, massaging the muscles here on the jaw, and tongue stretches and tongue loosenings, because the tongue is a muscle that can get very tense. The phrase tongue-tied exists for a reason, because what happens is the tongue tenses up. So what you can do is yawning. If you put your hand here, if you did the impulse for a yawn, you can feel how this area opens. So that helps to open up this area. Also, breathing in and out on a Ka sound helps to spring apart the back of the tongue and the throat a couple of times, and that helps to open up that area. Also, tongue stretches help to open up that area as well. And I have another video specifically on tongue stretches, so you can see that. So check out that tongue stretch video. And remember, keeping this area stretched and relaxed will help to relieve any tension here in the throat. Okay, that's all for today. As always, you can click up here to subscribe to my channel or click up here to see more videos. That's it for today. Remember, speak it loud, speak it proud, and speak it public. See you next time.